What time is it?
It is 9 o'clock.
Do you have a watch?
Yes, on my wrist.
Is your watch new?
Yes, brand new watch.
Do you like watches?
Yes, I love watches.
Is the clock big?
Yes, very big clock.
Can you see it?
Yes, I see it.
What time does it show?
It shows 9 o'clock.
Is it morning now?
Yes, 9 in morning.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, at 7 always.
What time do you wake up?
I wake at 7.
Is 7 o'clock early?
Yes, quite early indeed.
Do you use an alarm?
Yes, every single morning.
Is your alarm loud?
Yes, very loud alarm.
Do you like mornings?
Yes, mornings are fresh.
What do you do first?
I wash my face.
What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is at 8.
Is 8 o'clock good?
Yes, perfect for breakfast.
What time is school?
School starts at 9.
Are you late now?
No, just on time.
Is being on time important?
Yes, very important always.
Do you come on time?
Yes, always on time.
What time is lunch?
Lunch is at 1.
Is 1 o'clock good?
Yes, perfect lunchtime.
What time is dinner?
Dinner is at 7.
Do you eat dinner late?
No, 7 is fine.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10.
Is 10 o'clock late?
No, just right time.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
How many hours do you sleep?
About 8 hours nightly.
Is 8 hours enough?
Yes, doctors say so.
Do you nap in afternoon?
Sometimes just 30 minutes.
What time is your class?
My class is now.
Are you in a hurry?
Yes, a little bit.
Is the class far?
No, just 5 minutes.
Do you walk to class?
Yes, I walk there.
Is walking good exercise?
Yes, very healthy habit.
How long is the walk?
About 10 minutes walk.
Do you run sometimes?
Yes, when I am late.
Are you ever late?
Rarely, almost never late.
What time does class end?
Class ends at 11.
What do you do after?
I go to library.
Do you like the library?
Yes, very quiet there.
What time is it now?
Now it is 9.
Will you be on time?
Yes, just in time.
Do you have a phone?
Yes, I check time.
Is phone time accurate?
Yes, always correct time.
Which do you prefer, watch or phone?
I prefer my watch.
Is your watch accurate?
Yes, always correct time.
What brand is your watch?
Just a simple brand.
Is it an expensive watch?
No, not too expensive.
Did someone give it to you?
Yes, Dad gave it.
Do you like the gift?
Yes, I love it.
Do you always wear it?
Yes, every single day.
Can you tell time fast?
Yes, quite fast now.
Was telling time hard before?
Yes, a little hard.
When did you learn?
I learned at school.
Did your teacher help?
Yes, teacher helped me.
Is telling time important?
Yes, very important skill.
What time is it in the morning?
Morning starts at 6.
What time is noon?
Noon is 12 o'clock.
What time is afternoon?
After 12 is afternoon.
What time is evening?
Evening starts at 6.
What time is night?
Night starts at 9.
Do you like daytime?
Yes, daytime is bright.
Do you like nighttime?
Yes, night is calm.
What is your favorite time?
Morning is my favorite.
Why do you like morning?
Morning is fresh start.
Do you exercise in morning?
Yes, I run daily.
What time do you run?
I run at 7.
Is running in morning nice?
Yes, very refreshing indeed.
What time do you study?
I study at 4.
Do you study every day?
Yes, every single day.
How long do you study?
About 2 hours daily.
Is 2 hours enough?
Yes, enough for me.
What time do you rest?
I rest after dinner.
Do you relax at night?
Yes, I read books.
What time do you read?
I read at 9.
Do you read every night?
Yes, every single night.
How long do you read?
About 30 minutes nightly.
Is reading before sleep good?
Yes, helps me sleep.
What time is it now?
Now almost 10 o'clock.
Shall we go now?
Yes, let us go.
Are you ready to leave?
Yes, ready right now.
See you same time tomorrow?
Yes, same time tomorrow.
Do not be late.
I will not be.